Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be starting the exercise 12.1 of Ratio and Proportions, Chapter 12. And without any further delay, let's start. But I would like to remind you that you must make notes and must revise the concepts which are given to you by our videos. You also have the link in the playlist in every video, and you can go to the playlist, look for the video, and make notes, practice the questions, and revise thoroughly regularly so that you have a good command on mathematics. The more you will revise, the better it will be, and there is a better chance that in your class 9th, 8th, 9th, and 10th you will have good marks. Coming to exercise 12.1, let us start. Question number 1. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in class. So what you will write? Given total number of girls in a class is equal to 20. Then you will write total number of boys in a class is equal to 15. Then you will write total number of students in a class is equal to 20 plus 15, and that will be 35. Now we have all the information. Part A, what is the ratio of number of girls to number of boys? So what do we have to find? G is to B is to be found out. So what we will do? We will just take G is to B and write as per the G is to B, and that will be G and B and total. That will be 20 is to 15, and that will be 4 is to 3, and that is the answer. Part B, what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of students in the class? So that will be 20 is to 35, and that will be the answer. That is 5 will go 4 times, 5 will go 7 times, and the answer will be 4 is to 7. Coming to the next part or next question. Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket, and remaining like tennis. So for those who are having difficulty in coping up with our speed as we are delivering the lecture to you as of now, so this is because you have not made notes, you have not revised the concepts of the previous videos. So I would suggest you to please go back to part 12.1, 12.2, and so on, and then start the exercise so that you can get the approach and then you can get how to solve the questions of the exercise. Find the ratio of part A, number of, and part B. So what we'll start with, we'll write given, and we'll write okay, we'll write number of students who like football is equal to 6. Then we will write number of students who like cricket is equal to 12, and number of students who like tennis is equal to, and before that we will write total number of students in the class. So we will write total number of students in the class, that is 30. So who like tennis is equal to 30 minus 6 minus 12, and that will be 12 plus 6 is 18, and 30 minus 18 is equal to again 12. So the answer will be 12. Now coming to the part, and that is ratio of number of students liking football is to number of students liking tennis. So answer will be 6 is to 12, and that will be 1 is to 2. That is the answer. Coming to part B, number of students liking cricket to total number of students. So we know the number of students liking cricket, and that is 12, and this is total, and the answer will be cricket is to total, and that is 4 से नहीं जाएगा, 2 से जाएगा, तो we will have 2 divided by 6, and 2 will go 15 times, and then 3 will go 2 times, and 3 will go 5 times. Therefore it will be 2 is to 5. The answer will be 3 is 2 is to 5. You could have also, oh, 6 could also have been taken. 6 2 times and 6 5 times. Yes. Apologies, but nevertheless, answer will be correct. No matter what factor you take, the factor should be correct. The division should be correct. Coming to the next question. See the figure and find the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. Oh, the figure has been deleted somehow. Just give me a moment. I will open up the PDF and find out the image. So we are back. The image is in front of you. Let us see the image and let us find the answer. Shall see the figure and find the ratios of number of triangles to the number of circles. So before starting the question, before starting the solution, first of all, what we'll do, we'll write the given statement. What is the given statement? Number of triangles is equal to, there is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So that will write 3. Number of triangles in the figure is equal to 3. Then we'll write number of squares in the circle is equal to 1 and 2. That will be 2. Then we'll write number of circles in this figure is equal to 2. That is also 1 and 2. We'll not be counting this as a square because this is a rectangle and rectangle is not asked in the questions. Inside the, that is the inside the rectangle, so this is not part of the question. Okay, and next we will also write the total number of figures in the rectangle is equal to 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7. Now we'll start the answer. Number of triangles, that is part A, triangles is to number of circles, and this implies that we want 3 is to 2 as the answer. Number of squares to all figures inside the rectangle, and that will be square is to total, and that will give you the answer as 2 is to 7, and that is the answer. Is there anything else? Number of circles to all figures, number of circles are also 2, so 2 is to 7 will again be the answer for this part. As simple as that. Coming to question number 4. Distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 and 12 kilometers. So we will write given distance traveled by Hamid is equal to 9 kilometer, distance traveled by Akhtar is equal to 12 kilometer. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar, kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. And the answer will be Hamid, his speed is to speed of Akhtar. This implies 9 is to 12 will be written, kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour will get cancelled out, and we'll write this as 3 is to 4, and this is the answer. Fill in the following blanks: 15 upon 18, dash upon 6, dash 10 upon dash, dash upon 30. I'll give you one answer and the remaining two you will have to solve on your own, because this is a type of question we have done in our solved exam in our previous videos before the exercise, and it is very easy to solve. So 15 upon 18, which one do you want me to solve? Let me solve this one. Okay, or let me solve this one. 30 is bigger, so I will solve that one, is equal to x upon 30. So how will we do that? We will just make a this implies, and we will take x as the numerator. We will not disturb it, and then we will take 30 at the left side on the numerator. So that will become 15 into 30 upon 18, and that will give us the answer as 3 6 times and 3 10 times. Then we'll write 3 2 times, and then we'll write 3 5 times, and 2 1 times, and 2 5 times. That is, it will be 25. So it will be 15 upon 18 is equal to 25 upon 30. That will be the answer. Okay, coming to the next part. The remaining two you can solve on your own. Find the ratio of the following: 81 to 108 and 98 to 63. Ratio of the following: 2 is mentioned, so we have to follow a particular sequence. So this will be mentioned before and this will be mentioned afterwards, and therefore what do we have to do? We just have to divide it with the common factors. So 8 plus 1 9, yes, it is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1 in 9 is divisible by 3. So we'll divide by 3 and let us see what do we get. So 3 when dividing 81 will get 9 9 is a 81. Will that be divisible? 90? No, that will. No, 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 no. It is divisible by 9 also, because 9 nines are 81, and that will be 90 plus 18, and that will give you 8. Yes, and that will be 12 times. So this will give you 9 12 times. After that, we'll see that 3 3 times, and we'll get 3 4 times. So the answer is 3 is to 4. That is the answer. If you will multiply 3 by 3, you will get 9, and then you will multiply 9 by 9, you will get 81. If you will multiply 4 by 4, you will get 4 by 3, you will get 12, and 12 by 9, you will get 108. Therefore, the answer is correct. 98 to 63. I will give you 10 seconds, try to solve it, and then we will start. Chalo, 98 to 63. So this question is only about your calculative power, nothing else. 98 to 63, this is testing your test for divisibility concept, which we have discussed previously. 98 is to 63, तो डिवाइड देखते हैं किससे होगा. 2 से होगा, नहीं होगा. 3 से, 6 plus 3 9, and 9 plus 8 is 17. So this will also not be divisible. 3 से भी नहीं है, 4 से भी नहीं है, 5 से भी नहीं है, तो 6 से भी नहीं है. किससे होगा? Let us see. 17. Let us do 3 भी आ रहा है ना, और 8 भी आ रहा है. तो रेशियो ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्योर डिविजिबल है ये किसी से. 98 is to 63, एंड 6 से नहीं है, 7 से. 7 1 जा 7. अरे यार क्या, 7 1 जा 7, 7 से है. समटाइम्स माइंड हैंग्स. So 7 ones are 7, and that will be 2 8, and that will be 7 fours are 28 is to 9 sevens are 63, 14 is to 9, that will be the answer. Part C, 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer, and that will give you 33 is to 121. We know that 11 into 11 is equal to 117 101, and that will be 121. So 11 3 times, and this will be 11 times, and this will be the answer. 30 minutes to 45 minutes, both the units are same, therefore 30 is to 45. We will take 15, so this will be 2 times, this will be 3 times, and the answer will be 2 is to 3. Coming to the next question. Find the ratio of the following: 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, 40 centimeter to 1.5. This involves two concepts: conversion and then division. So 30 minutes is to 1.5 hours. How can we write 1.5? That will be into 60. So uh, we'll write 6. We'll remove the decimal so that it incorporates the 60 ka 0. Then 6 5s are 30. That will 3. 6 1s are 3. 6 1s are 6. And then 3, that is 9. So that will be 90 minutes. Minutes will get cancelled out. 0 0 will get cancelled out. The answer will be 1 is to 3. Coming to the next part, 40 centimeter is to 1.5 meter, and that will become how much centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That will become 150 centimeter. Centimeter cancelled out. 0 0 cancelled out. 4 is to 15 is your answer. 55 paisa to rupees 1. 55 paisa will become 0, or rather than that, it will become 55 paisa and is 2 rupees 1. So 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa, and that will be the 100 paisa. Paisa cancelled out, and 55 and 100, so 5 11 times, and 5 20 times, so answer will be 11 is to 20. Part D, 500 ml to 2 liters, that is 1 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, and that will make it 2000 liter. So therefore the answer will be 1 is to 4. Okay, Microsoft Word got closed. I am sorry, but I cannot do anything for that. Why did this happen? Laptop is also not warm enough, hot enough. Oh, sometimes the days are so good, and so good that it just feels like that I am the GOAT, just like Cristiano Ronaldo. Even Cristiano Ronaldo has bad days. If you try to see that Ronaldo gets a red card, even though he did not do something that is deserving of red card, and sometimes other people do not get red card in football, even though they do something that deserves a red card. So okay, everyone has some days. Even a person stepped on Messi's hand uh, in a match. Okay, no problem. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, and that will become 2000 ml, and ml will get cancelled out, two zeros will get cancelled out, and 5 will divide 1 times and this 4 times, and the answer is 1 is to 4. Question number 8. In a year, Seema earns 1500 and saves 50,000. So I hope that should we continue in the next video, that will be much better, or should we should solve this one. In a year, Seema earns itna and saves itna. Okay, so we will write given total, or we will write money Seema earns in a year is equal to rupees 150000. Then we will write money Seema saves in a year is equal to rupees 50,000. Find the ratio of money that Seema earns. So we have to find the ratio between earn is to save, and that will be 150,000 is to 50,000, and 000 will get cancelled out, and after that 10 will also get cancelled out 1 times and 3 times, therefore this will be 3 is to 1. And the next part is money that she saves to money she spends, that is save is to spend is related. And what is the spend? We will get that money Seema spends in a year is equal to, that is the total money that is she earns and the money she saves. So that will be E minus S is equal to your answer, that is 1 lakh. So saving is 50,000, and spending is 1 lakh, and the answer will be 3 zeros will get cancelled out, another 0 will get cancelled out, and 1 and 2, the answer will be 1 is to 2. Coming to the next. Okay, so we'll complete the video over here, that is question 1 to question 8, and we'll start exercise 12.1 starting from question 9 to the last. And I hope you are able to understand. In case you are not able to understand because of the speed of solution, you must see our playlist and watch the corresponding or the required videos, the lectures, and then you make notes, practice, and then revise, and you will be good to go. And if you are having any problem with the method of our teaching, that is, if you want us to include some other things or anything like that, do let us know in the comment section, and we'll definitely reply back to you, or connect with us on any of our social media handles. And till the next time we meet, goodbye.